Take this cover off. You can use a trim tool. Just get behind here. There's 3 clips. This one has one that's broken. Take this insulation out right here. Slide it out. Inside here, there's 3 nuts. There's 2 that are a little bit tricky to get to. And if you want to, you can take the entire door panel off just to get to those 2 nuts, or just use a 10mm wrench. Once you get it loose, you should be able to do it by hand. It's always good to use a magnet as well. So once you get it close, use the magnet so you don't drop the nut. Then take the other one off the same way. Then take this top nut off. You just use a 10mm socket. And just make sure you hold the outside of the mirror as you're taking it off so it doesn't fall. And just grab the mirror and slide it out. If it seems like it's sticking a little bit, there's probably a little retainer, and you just have to use some quick force and you'll be able to get it out. Take the new mirror and line up the holes, line up the studs. And it's a good idea to have a nut in your hand so that you can get the top one started while you're still holding the mirror. Carefully get the other 2 started. You could always use the magnet to help you, have the magnet hold it. Get it lined up. Ooh. And snug those down. And also the top one. Reinstall the insulation. And put the cover back on. Line it up. Lock it down.